Arriving to this island in the North Atlantic long before the Viking settlers, the Arctic fox has had to cope with the country's extreme conditions since the end of the last ice age. The Arctic fox is of the canine family and has adapted well to Iceland's short, dark winters. A hardy and highly resourceful creature, the Arctic fox has an amazing ability to survive in even the toughest of environments, where food can often be scarce. Spring and eventually the short summer arrive. With 24 hours of daylight, everything bursts forth with life. The fox is not picky when it comes to food, and every little scrap, no matter how meager, helps when it comes to feeding the hungry cubs. In the den, the next generation has been born and are taking their first tentative steps in exploring nature's bounty. But the summer is short, and preparations have to be made for the fast approaching long winter. The Arctic fox, a true survivor.